Good morning, folks, from Tumble Towers. What are we, Tuesday the 23rd or something like that? A bit windy. Bit overcast as well, but we're all still prepping up for our little charity gig on Saturday, so we have 40-ish birds. Same lot that's been up to 2 miles. We're at a place called Boglebrigg. It's only about the 5 mile mark. It is rather overcast, so I'll spin you around and let you have a look. Same as before, 40 birds. This is what we call Boglebrigg. That's Boglebrigg House. There's a wee bridge over the other side of there. And it's a wee bit overcast today, but we have plenty of birds here with a bit of experience. Should help the newbies get along. So, same as before, still a bit basket green, I suppose you would call it. So we're not going to hold them for long and just get them up. A quick squint round for any nasty birdies. And home is up over there, 5 miles. I'll give them a minute and then we'll go. Okie dokie then, 9:20, 5 miles, going that way. Let's let them go. Bit of a cloud, mind the wire. That's the boys. And finally, my Scoobies. You going? There we go. Lovely Tuesday morning. Check the baskets. We're all gone. A lovely cloud of dews. There you go, Wilma. That's your cloud. Second toss for Saturday. The clouds are a wee bit low, so we've stayed down low. Give them a chance to get underneath it. There's one there. There's one up there. And there's the cloud there. So, we should just all gather each other up. I'll put all the stuff back in the car. I'm surprised I'm home before in the day, but we'll give it a go. See you back at the ranch. Boglebrigg, 5 miles. There's 4 to start us off. Oh, somebody's a wee bit whiffy in the wing. They're Lindsay's.
Oh, the black's there. Sent the black out to play. An angel?
Oh, I've got one. Lindsay's got 3. Good lass, good girl, come on in. Who are you? Oh, 2 for us. Oh, the 00101, and I think that's 2332. 2 each. Or a follow. Coming. 2. Oh, that's good on the wire. That'll be for Lindsay's shed.
That's not my bird.
Oh, it's a dove.
Oh,
yeah.
It's Jets.
Tips, that looks like a wee peahead.
Imagine sending them.
Oh, the peaheads are going.
Where's the other one then?
So what's that I've got? Now I've lost count. 3. And
That one doesn't count.
20 to 10. It looks like wee peahead's going to clock first anyway. The peahead's strapping first. Go peahead.
Oh.
What?
Look at this thing coming round.
What's this thing?
Pigeon. Look. Come on in here. Is that white?
Oh God, it's high. It is a white. We'll see if we can trap this one from way out. Incoming!
So white.
Come on, Babs. Come on.
A baby white by the looks of it.
No, I never seen a baby white. Jesus, I'm broadcasting, love. I never seen squeakers.
It'll be one for up the road, mate.
Lindsay, the naughty lady, has had Angel, the grizzle, out. Danny's bird when he's not here. So if she'd lost that for 5 miles, she would have got a proper doing. Peaheed trap first for Mr. Jip. I'm the winner.
You bet me with a peaheed.
See that again, dear?
You bet me with a peaheed.
That's right. Dropper. Got a dropper.
Oh, it's the
Oh,
tiger.
the tiger grizzle. Come on, lass. Here's a girl.
Let's see, it was way up high. This is the one that Jip's given me.
If it survives. Noof. Come on, girl. First time out, as she says. Clueless. Coming in low. Coming in low. Come on, lass. And that's because I'm in a road, so I'll get out of the road. So we'll go up to about 6.
A wee bit peckish, but she's a stock bird and this
Wee pecker,
learning like the babies.
Lindsay doesn't like me flying my tiger grizzle, but... Good lass, come on in. Where's your man? Go and find your bubba. Good girl. Oh, you're pecky. Here's wee Mrs. Spangle, tiger grizzle. In at 9:45. Someone coming with a really flappy wing. Oh, nice drop, dear. It's got loads of feathers missing. Oops. Come on, Bob. Come on, baby.
That's the one that had half a tail.
Where is she? Oh, dear's the girl. They're actually looking in fantastic condition. Getting through the molt really well. And that is, if you just see the other leg, that's the test pilot. That's the checkered cock that goes everywhere. He's hardly got any feathers. Lindsay, what were you doing sending the test pilot? Was he on the list? Oh, he was on the list. Good lad, well done, son. Good boy. When have we got now? Well, goodness, the joys of messing about with pigeons. It's now... Margie's magic clock is 5 to 10. So they've now been up 40 minutes. I think I sent... What did I say? About 14 or something? And I think I've got 6 from 5 miles. If you want to play dues, this is what you got to do. Marvellous. Getting a little bit alarming now because that was miles by. He came out of there, which he shouldn't be. Come on, Babs. Come on, Baba. That was a red. That's your red. What was it? It's not my red. I don't have a red. He's not pecking though. He's not pecking though. He came from way out there and high.
Then what they've done,
And we tossed him. Yes?
you put your GPS on one day and they went away up Carlin Lock way.
Loch Ken.
Aye, Lock Ken, and then came back this way for some reason.
They've overshot in the clouds. So, yeah, that was way overflowing because we tossed in that direction. And he came through that direction. Goodness. Boy Wonder just come in, my big hulking sooty, but he's looking a bit peaky, but... Alright, here we go. Hang on, hang on. Here we go. Here we go. Woo! That's a posse. There we go. That's looking closer to 40 birds. Come on, Babs. Good boys and girls, well done. They've been out fucking about. Excuse my language. Oh, here's my whites. That should be your green clipped white there, dear. Green clipped on a 22V. Ah, that's better looking.
See my pie pen in there anyway.
What? Don't necessarily know what your birds look like, hon. they're sure as fuck not all mine anyway. Come on, we need a pied hen. We need a pied hen. Give it. Where are you going? This lot have been spooked. Do you know that? This lot have had to be spooky.
I think that's why they're over.
There's Mr. Whiteways Green. Oh, he's not messing about. His lady's sitting on the floor just down in there, on the other side of that wall. So, whew, I can safely. Is that wee bar still got that stupid high feather in the back of his head?
I the one sitting on top of your
Aye. Go on, the Babs. Right, we can have a post-night shift sleep before post-night shift. The ones on the wires will be Lindsay's. Where's my babies? Where's my babies? Where's my babies? Not seeing my babies. Oh, there's wee Whitey. There's wee Whitey. Remember Whitey was back first time?
I'm still missing some.
And they're starting to get, cocks are starting to get a bit lumpy, a bit happy.
Right.
That wee checker that's shaking itself about, that's another, oh no, that's wee baby balls. So that was another sooty. Another Barney. Sent 2 Barneys a day. Now we're getting close to something now, kids. Woohoo! That was stressful. It's here. Well, there's a wee labred there, that wee checker, that wee bar. There's a wee dafty that was there in the same seat from 2 miles. He's done it. That's our late bread also. We'll do a post-match analysis after all of this. But there's enough here. 5 miles have clearly got split up with the cloudy skies, or what else? Who would know? More to follow. We're coming. We reckon we're probably about 10 down at the minute. An education toss, shall we call it. So tomorrow we'll do 5 miles in a different direction. Then we'll do 10 miles on Thursday. And the 20 miles. Morning, gorgeous. Peeking your head up there, you cheeky wee monster. And then we'll do Dalton 20 on Saturday. All for charity. Bravo. Us being TTR, we've decided just to let all our birds out, and guess what? There's birds dropping in from everywhere. We've got a cloud there. We've got a dropping cloud there. Some of them are new. Oh, there's old Fanny. Fanny's banned from flying anymore. Mummy won't let him.
You send that fantail?
No, I didn't know. It's chaos as you'd expect at TTR. There's all manner of birds dropping everywhere. I think just saw Tufty coming in, because he looked to be a bit wing laggy, but he should drop fairly quickly because he's got a lady. I think that white one might be Tufty. Oh, it's not. Oh, I see that white coming in. 2 whites trying to come down.